So guys, I have been working on a nice little website here. This website has been a really fun project to work on because I've gotten to learn Hugo. Hugo is a fantastic content management system, but also website framework. You write your websites in Markdown and you get something like this at the end. There's a ton of fantastic themes that make building out a website like this super fast and very easy. And you see, I've got like a buy me a coffee thing down here. You can do these. I've added this. This is just a test. They've got this nice timeline stuff you can add in here, and building out posts and stuff, super easy. I can like a post. I can go through here. I've got this nice little, you know, menu, table of contents going down the side. And I also have a guide of how to install Hugo. It is a lot of the commands for installing Hugo are Arch specific, and I talk about that, but you can go through the guide and it actually walks you through choosing a theme, adding it to your project, the how you're going to organize content, and then deploying it to GitLab pages, because a lot of the guides and stuff that I saw out there mainly focus on deploying to GitHub. And I'm going to assume some of you are like me and would like to deploy it to GitLab pages. So I go through everything you're going to need to do there. And then, yeah, you're deployed. And it's super simple to get a website like this set up. I cannot believe how fast it is, how pretty it looks, and making the website was super simple. You just have Hugo generate you a site. Then depending on the theme you're using, you might have to change up your folder structure a slight bit, and then fill out the details for your website in, your config files. And then for making like my home page. So if I go here, this website, or this page right here, looks like this. That's what I had to put into it for the homepage. Nothing. Literally nothing. Empty front matter and no body. It super simple. And then if I go into, actually, let me just go back up here. And if we go into like my post folder and we get install Hugo and load up the index, because you have underscore indexes for indexes, I believe, on like top level pages. And then anything below that, you're going to have just a regular index file. I don't know if that changes between themes. It might, but I don't think so. I believe that's Hugo specific in general. So I've got the front matter describing, the title, description, summary, categories, tags for it, then the date, whether or not it's a draft, the author for the post, and then the post. And it's just a simple markdown file, nothing crazy. The most advanced and annoying things you have to do is I add an A reference for links. That's about it. Or an A tag, whatever, for links. So they open up in new tabs. That's pretty much it. That's it. It's super simple. I cannot express to you how awesome Hugo is. And if you're wanting to build a website, please check Hugo out. Don't be like me and be like, well, I think I could get better at HTML and CSS, so I probably should just do that. No, give Hugo a shot. Try it out. I'm sure you're going to love it. And also, before I kind of teeter this video out, just know the link to this website and some guides to Hugo, the Hugo themes and everything, it will be down in the description. You can follow those if you want to learn more and check out different themes that Hugo has to offer, all that kind of stuff. Also, I have very recently spent a lot of money on art and different new things for the channel. So hopefully you guys are really going to enjoy some of the stuff that's going to be coming, and hopefully the content is getting better and you're enjoying it more. So big thanks to all the people up on the screen right now for supporting the channel and going over and above, just really helping out. Thank you guys. It genuinely does mean a lot. And thanks everyone, just watching on YouTube. That also helps out, even though YouTube don't pay like it should. It does help. Thank you. And yeah, so before you leave, hit that like button, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching the video all the way to the end. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.